Hey everyone, just here with another couple updates to the Deadbolt. The first just simple one is I just made a few plates so I could adjust my suspension mounting points a bit more, for some more fine tuning. And so that's just a little basic one. But the front chassis link for the upper one, I made that the same way that I made my steering link, out of like aluminum tabs and shaped them all and whatnot. And you should be able to see it in there. It's got a weird jog, just to give myself some extra room around drive shafts, just because I never know what I'm going to do in the future. And I will include a slideshow of some pictures like I did on my previous update, so you can see it a little better and whatnot. But it looks pretty good in there. I think in it, no clearance issues or anything like that at all. It fits perfectly, really, and just better than that. The weak stock plastic ones are just too flimsy.